If Firefox has started feeling slow, laggy, or just a little heavy, this video is going to help. I'm going to show you how to speed up Mozilla Firefox using a few simple tweaks, including hidden advanced settings, clearing your cache, and turning off hardware acceleration if it's causing performance issues. These are quick changes that can make a real difference, especially if your browser has been open for a long time, you have lots of tabs, or Firefox is taking too long to load pages. Before we begin, if this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is open Firefox's advanced configuration page. In the address bar, type about .config and press enter. Firefox will warn you that these settings can affect stability and performance, so take a moment to read the warning and continue only if you're comfortable making changes. This area is designed for power users, but it's also where some of the most useful speed tweaks live. Once you're in About Config, we'll start with a setting that can help reduce render delay. In the search bar, type content.notify.interval. When it appears, click the value and change the integer to 500. This adjusts how Firefox handles notification timing, and for some users, it can make page rendering feel a bit more responsive. Next, let's disable Pocket if you don't use it. Pocket is a built-in feature, but if you never save articles for later, there's no need to keep it active. In the search bar, type extensions, Pocket enabled. If the setting appears as a boolean, click the toggle or plus option and set it to false. Turning off features you don't use is a simple way to keep Firefox lighter and cleaner. Now let's move to another useful tweak. Search for browser.sessionstore.interval. This setting controls how often Firefox saves the state of your tabs. By default, it saves fairly often, which can add extra background activity. Change the value to 1800 Tyazu. That increases the interval from 15 seconds to 30 minutes, which can reduce unnecessary RAM usage and lower the amount of background work Firefox is doing. After making these About Config adjustments, the next step is to clear your cache. Over time, corrupted or oversized cache files can slow down browser startup and browsing performance. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will open. Make sure cache is selected, set the time range to everything, and then click Clear. If Firefox has been feeling sluggish, this alone can often make it feel noticeably fresher. Once the cache has been cleared, we'll go into Firefox settings and check hardware acceleration. Click the menu button in the top right corner, then click Settings. In the Settings page, search for Performance. Scroll to the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. This will reveal more options. Then uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. On some computers, hardware acceleration helps performance, but on others, it can actually cause lag, slow rendering, or glitches. Disabling it is a smart troubleshooting step if Firefox feels unstable or slow. After you've done that, restart Firefox so all the changes can fully take effect. When the browser reopens, you should notice it feels cleaner and more responsive. Remember, not every tweak works the same for every system, but combining these changes can often give Firefox a noticeable speed boost. To recap, we used About Config to reduce delays and disable unused features, cleared the cache, and turned off hardware acceleration for better performance. If you want more simple tutorials like this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.